Hi all, and welcome back to another quick crochet video with Carly from the Hook and Knot Nook. In one of our recent videos, we were making this flag for some kits and nevers. I did the tutorial on how to do a flag where it has the line going from the one corner to the other. I had some queries on those who wanted to make it much bigger, like this shawl that I've been working on, and asked how to make the stars bigger so that they fit in with the much bigger shawl. So that's the video that we will be doing today. I'm adding mine to the shawl, however these can be added to any project to add a cute little detail as an applique or applique, however you say that word. I'll be using a worsted weight yarn and my 3.5mm hook. You'll also need a darning needle, a pair of scissors, and we will be working a magic circle, chains, single crochet, half double, doubles, and triple crochets, and that's in American terms. So we're going to start our project with a magic circle. This loose end is called your tail end, and the end attached to the ball is your working end. So we're going to wrap the working yarn around our fingers, the tail down there, wrap the working yarn over the tail, go under the tail section and pull the working yarn through, turn to secure, and now we have our magic circle, and our tail end is on our left, so we're going to be working around that as well. And we're going to chain 3, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. We have a chain of 3. Now we're going to work into that magic circle, working in double crochets, so yarn over once, in through the center of the circle, yarn over and pull through, 3 on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again, and that's chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, yarn over, in through the hoop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. So that's 2 double crochets and our chain 3, and we're going to want 14 double crochets and our chain 3 to make 15. So you can pull the working or the tail end and make your hoop a little smaller at this point so it's easier to handle. So crochet, double crochet number 3, and we're going to do 11 more of these so that we have 14 double crochets and our chain 3. So 14 and 15, we're now going to pull the tail of that magic ring, and that will close that ring and bring all of our stitches together. Now to finish this round, we're going to find that third chain that we did at the beginning, and make sure that it's the third chain and not the first double crochet you did, and we're going to slip stitch. So into that first, or the third chain rather, yarn over, pull through again, and that is a slip stitch, and we have just finished round 1. Now to start with our little peaky bits of our star. We're going to chain 6, then skip the first 2 chains from the hook, and into the third one do a single crochet. So into the third chain from the hook, wrap at the back and pull through, wrap and pull through both on the hook. In the next stitch we're going to do a half double, so we're going to wrap first, into the next stitch, wrap at the back and pull through, 3 on our hook, wrap and pull through all 3. In the next stitch, a double, wrap our yarn into the next stitch, wrap our yarn at the back and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2. In that last stitch, we're going to do a treble. So we're going to wrap our yarn twice this time, then go into that last stitch, wrap at the back and pull through, then going to wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, and wrap and pull through 2 a third time. We're then going to skip the next 2 stitches on our round and go into the third for a slip stitch. So into that third, wrap at the back and pull through everything. And then we're going to repeat this process. So we've completed our first point of our star. So now for the second, we're going to chain 6 again. 5 and 6. Again, skip the first 2 into the third with a single crochet. Into the next with a half double crochet. Pull through all 3. Then a double into the next stitch, wrap at the back, pull through, 3 on our hook, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, and then a final treble, 2 wraps into that last stitch, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, and wrap and pull through 2 again, or at least try to. Skip the next 2 stitches into the third with a slip stitch. And then we're going to repeat this another 3 times until we have our 5 points of our star. I'm just completing my 5th point, single, half double, double, and a treble. Then to finish off our star, we're going to go to that point where we did our first chain and slip stitch to finish. Now I'm going to be using my tail to sew mine to the shawl, so I'm going to leave myself a nice long tail. We're then going to chain 1 and pull through our yarn to secure. Now for that darning needle, now you could use this center section, but I use this to keep that center hole nice and tight. So I'm just going to go around the circle a few more times just to secure that in place. I do this on the back side of the star, so you won't be able to see any of this stitching at all. So once that's nice and tight, you've gone through a few times, you can just snip that end off. Now, as I'm going to be attaching this quite firmly to the shawl, none of these bits are going to come apart. So for this working end, I'm going to go through the front and pull my yarn to the back. And then I can use this to secure it to the project in question. So as I said, this is a really quick video. I hope you guys found it helpful. I did say I'd get round to it. Sorry, it did take me a couple of days, but I'm just going to do another one of these and then attach it to my shawl. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful. Give the project a go. These are really cute on so many different things. Please feel free to comment the projects that you've added it to in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to let us know by hitting like and subscribe down below. It does really help our channel, lets us know that you're enjoying the videos, and maybe some suggestions of anything that you'd like to see next. Once again, thank you guys for coming back to Carly at the Hook and Knock Nook. Hope to see you guys again really soon. Bye.